In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your HP Envy printer just simply not working. We're talking it's not printing, or maybe you can't connect it to the Wi-Fi. I'm going to show you the best troubleshooting steps that you can do to get this thing up and running so you can print that important document you need to print. So first things first, the easiest troubleshooting step that I am always a huge advocate for is basically the turning it on and turning off again. However, I find this works especially well with this printer. I don't simply just turn it on and off again though by the power button on the back. I like to actually pull this power cable out. It doesn't even matter if it's on, just obviously as long as it's not printing right now. But I like to just pull the power cable out and honestly wait up to 5 minutes, okay? Let all the power drain from the printer, wait up to 5 minutes, and then try it again. I've actually found a number of times that unplugging the printer from the back and plugging it back in helps it connect back to Wi-Fi. If like the Wi-Fi should be working fine, I set it up before. It also helps me find new Wi-Fis if I'm reconnecting it and it's like struggling to find my router. Or even if I can't find the printer on my phone when I'm trying to do the Wi-Fi setup, just unplugging it and plugging it back in after a few minutes is such a great and underrated troubleshooting thing. Now I'm going to show you some of the next options to do whilst this initializes itself. They are going to be the factory reset and the network reset. The most simple version is the network reset, and what this does is quite self-explanatory. It resets the network settings on your printer. Now the reason this is such a good idea to do is that sometimes a lot of the issues people have with this printer are related to the connection settings. Maybe you set up the Wi-Fi on a Wi-Fi that you no longer use, or maybe you bought this printer and someone else set it up. If you're struggling to connect to it, one of the best things to do is a network reset. And to do that, you're going to click Menu here on the screen. You're going to scroll down to Tools, Maintenance, Restore Settings, and then you click Restore Network Settings. And that basically removes all of the previous Wi-Fi setup settings from this printer, allowing you to reset up the Wi-Fi. Now, if you want to set up the Wi-Fi, by the way, guys, check the link in the description. I have a really nifty guide showing you how to set up the Wi-Fi. It's super, super simple. Now, the second option is Restore All Factory Defaults. Now, this is a really, really good option. This solves a lot of my issues when I'm just really struggling and having so many issues with this printer. When you restore it to factory defaults, it actually puts the printer back in the original setup sequence. You know, it makes it new again. It's reborn almost. I wish I could be reborn. Anyway, restoring all to factory default settings is a fantastic option too, and it's a really helpful way to actually be able to get this printer going. So guys, those are my 3 key troubleshooting steps: unplugging it from the back, restoring network settings, and doing a full factory reset. Now, if you want to set this up to Wi-Fi, or you want to see my full setup guide where I basically start from a factory reset, click the 2 links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I've been Professor Printer. I'll see you at the next lecture. Goodbye.